Hey explorers, welcome back to our garden. Today we're gonna be harvesting some turmeric right outside our garden. As you can see, I got my helpers with me to assist me. We're gonna take the turmeric, bring it into our dehydrator for long-term storage and use it as food as well as for some spices. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, let's go. You're just so quick, you're just running. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. So now we buy the turmeric. We're about to see if they're good to harvest. Look, the root is looking.
Dad, the root is grow so big.
Yeah, baby girl, the root is looking so big. So we're gonna turn it into something special. We're gonna be cooking it all year round, okay?
Okay.
You like turmeric? Yeah, we're gonna be cooking them. It's gonna be in our food, in our chicken.
I haven't eaten it.
Yeah, you'll be eating it. We're gonna eat it right from our backyard, so it's perfect. It's organic, it's healthy. I see we have a big, what you got here?
It's a big piece.
Yeah, we got another big piece. Let's pull it out to see.
Yeah.
And we're gonna see what's going on.
It's so hard to pull out. Wow.
Yeah, we're not gonna think we're just gonna loosen up the soil. So we got a couple of pieces over here.
Yeah.
Where's the bowl? Go and get the bowl, Sage.
Okay.
Okay, Sage, so we got a nice little piece.
Yeah.
So we got these right here. You wanna break them off?
Yeah.
Break this one off. This is looking good.
Okay.
Yeah, the rest, so all this is roots. So what we're gonna be doing, we can cut these for like transplanting. So we're gonna transplant them back again, okay? Let's dig up. That's the mother node. Check that big one. You see that big one right here? Let me cut it to see. That's the mother node. Damn, it look good.
Yeah.
That's a big turmeric, man.
Yeah.
That's a big one. Check the roots. The roots are strong on this. Wow. You know how much they sell this in the store?
No.
They sell this expensive. And you growing this right into your backyard. You can make your own turmeric powder, your own turmeric soap. You can do a lot out of this. So my son was behind the camera and he saw that harvest that we was doing. He got jealous, so he wanted to come and join. As you can see, they're helping right now. Show your face, kid. You jealous little boy. I got him helping out right now.
I see some apple ice.
Go ahead and pull it out, kid. You got one in there, this one here, you can break it off. Now we harvest our turmeric. Now we're gonna be washing them nice and clean, remove all the dirt on there. However, we're not gonna we're gonna leave the skin on because we're just gonna slice it into pieces just to make the dehydrating a little bit. So we're gonna leave the skin on. So let's go, let's give our little thing a little wash.
Yeah.
You see all the dirt is coming up. Okay, let's wash this.
I see all the dirt.
Okay, I think it's nice and done now. What do you think? You think it's done now? Alright guys, so now we have our turmeric nice and washed, all clean. Like I mentioned, we're gonna leave the skin on. We're gonna be slicing them, make it easier for the dehydrating process on there. So we're gonna slice them nice and thin. Okay guys, so we're done cutting the turmeric into different sizes so that we can go ahead and get it into the dehydrator. So right now we're gonna go ahead and put it, we don't have a dehydrator, so we're gonna put it into the oven at the lowest settings. What do you think?
Good.
You ready? Give me a bounce. Alright guys, so we're done slicing our turmeric into slices as thin as we can get it, and now we're gonna place it into, we're gonna be using an oven as the dehydrator. We're gonna put it on the lowest settings as possible to dehydrate it. It might take about 6 to 10 hours to be dehydrated. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so there you have it. We have it on 150 Fahrenheit to dehydrate the turmeric. And before you pull it out, bend it, break it first, or snap it to see if it's good. Pull out the string. It didn't bend, right? It's not. That means it's good. Okay, go ahead and take it out. Alright, Sage, go ahead and press the grinder and go ahead and grind it into powder. Go ahead and put a lid. Alright guys, so I do not have a mason jar, so I'm putting it for the time being into an instant coffee jar that I have available. So once I have some time, I'll go ahead and get a mason jar and put it in there for long-term storage as well. But in the meantime, you can use it for cooking. So this is how it come out. It come out nice and thin and fine. What do you think, Sage? And there you have it, folks. We grow our turmeric in our backyard. Now it's in our jar as a powder, so we can use it as storage, or we can be able to cook it as well. And that's our turmeric from our backyard to your kitchen shelf. It's very easy, rewarding. Especially I can tell my daughter she liked doing it, especially when she was grinding it and harvesting it, and it's also full of flavor. It's not from the store, it's like homegrown, so it have that natural flavor coming out of it on there.
Try with rice and tea.
Alright, if you like this, comment below what spices we should grow next. See you in the next one, guys. Alright, take care. Bye.